Let's overview and compare scheduling or push production to a demand pull methodology. Let's look at why it is so important to implement pull systems when we go to a flow production process. In schedule-based production, we would have work orders or schedules to drive production. Based upon the schedules, we would then issue material to build assemblies or products. Issues our raw material inventory from stores to work in process WIP. In a family of products, what would the chance be of multiple products using the same part? More than likely, there is a very good chance. In our example, in our daily production schedule, we have issued material to build 75 different products from our family of products. We have part number A in our stockroom, and we are issuing part A to each of the products. For that part, we have touched the part 75 times, and we have made 75 transactions, computer and financial transactions, to move the part from raw material to work in process, WIP. Scheduling or push was designed to control and track when the processes were scattered all over the plant. Scheduling is fine for forecast-driven products, but it is a real pain for demand-driven products and competitive corporations. In DFT, we have designed our mixed model flow process to produce a family of hundreds of products, but we are just building 75 different products today. Material is at the operation where it is to be consumed. In this example, we have 4 hours of material at the operation and additional 3 days of material in a point of usage area in the general vicinity of the production line. When material is consumed at the specific operation, the employee will switch to another container of the parts. The Kanban card on the empty container will direct a material handler to a location at a point of usage supply area where additional material is located. The additional material is then pulled back to the operation in the line. When the product is completed, we will use a technique called backflush to relieve the inventory that was consumed by the product. Simply put, if you built the bicycle, use the 2 tires in its bill of material. 75 touches of the material just to get the material to the worker versus 2 per day for the Kanban pull technique. Plus the computer transaction difference. Kanban is not only necessary, it is awesome. This is not a step you want to kind of evolve into. Trying to get a little better at scheduling, going from weekly schedules to daily schedules, and lowering inventory levels to leaner production, while still using work orders and issuing kits, will never get you to a competitive manufacturing position. And it can create a monster to manage. From a financial position, RIP will turn around 50 turns per year by design on day 1. We still have to draw down raw and finished goods. Raw material requires implementing Kanban with our suppliers, and finished goods requires us to implement DBM, demand-based management, and we will get into that in a later chapter, but that is under our control. If we take the cost to carry of the reduced inventory, that gives us the value of the wasted money associated to schedulized manufacturing. We need to move production away from labor-focused, philosophical, agile, lean, waste elimination programs and adopt techniques that change the bottom line. Yes, it is work, and yes, it does require leadership. However, if we get rid of the inventory, Think about the number of free employees, 401k contributions, stock options, or products that we could acquire with that wasted value of money.